Good morning, everyone. My name is Vurchas Aditya Tomar, and today we'll be talking about parts of a cell and cell division. So, let's begin. First, we need to know what are the basic structures of a cell. These are cytoplasm, cell membrane, and nucleus. These three are very important because they play the most important roles in a cell. Cell membrane is a thin and elastic wall around the cell. It protects the cell and is semi-permeable. Semi-permeable means that it allows selective things to go in and come out of the cell. This is also known as protoplasm. Cell wall is only present in plant cells. This is because plants cannot move around and neither do they have a skeleton to protect them from harsh conditions. Cell wall acts as an extra protection for plant cells. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Nucleus is known as the brain of the cell. It is the largest and the most important part of a cell. Nucleus controls different organelles in a cell. We will talk about organelles later in this video. Nucleus is not only one thing, it also has different parts, which are nucleolus, nuclear membrane, chromosomes, and nucleoplasm. Now let's take a look at these different parts of nucleus. Nuclear membrane is porous, which means it has holes. These holes allow molecules to be transferred from cytoplasm to nucleus and from nucleus to cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm is just like cytoplasm but inside nucleus. Nucleoplasm contains some chromatin threads. Nucleolus is very important. This is because it contains most of the chromatin threads. Nucleoplasm also helps in protein synthesis, which is making of protein. Chromatin threads are very important for a cell. During cell division, these chromatin threads become chromosomes. On the right side, you can see an X-shaped structure. These are chromosomes. Chromosomes transfer hereditary characters from parents to offsprings. There are 23 pairs or 46 chromosomes in a cell. There are different types of nucleus. These are prokaryotic nucleus and eukaryotic nucleus. Prokaryotic means primitive nucleus and eukaryotic means true nucleus. Prokaryotic cells lack a well-defined and membrane-bound nucleus. This means the chromatin threads float freely in cytoplasm. Some examples of prokaryotic cells are nostoc and anabina. Eukaryotic cells have a well-defined and membrane-bound nucleus. Chromatin threads are safely inside the nucleus. All of the plants and animals have eukaryotic cells. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like colorless fluid inside the cell. It is mostly made up of water, organic salts, protein, and sugar. Many smaller substances inside the cell called cell organelles are also present inside the cytoplasm. Many biochemical reactions necessary for the cell happen here. Now let's talk about cell organelles. Plastids are only present in plant cells. They are double membrane bound. The color of the plastid tells what function they do. Chloroplasts are green in color. They help in photosynthesis. Chromoplasts are all the colors except green. They provide color to fruits and flowers. Leucoplasts are colorless and they help to store starch, proteins, and fats in different cells of the plant. Golgi apparatus is also known as Golgi complex or Golgi body. They are flattened sac-like structure and are near the nucleus. They help to transport, pack, and modify fats and proteins to different parts of the cell. They also help in synthesis of lysosomes. Endoplasmic reticulum are like a network of tubes. They help to synthesize, store, and transport substances around the cell. They also help in protein synthesis. Ribosomes are small granular structures which are scattered around the cells. They help in protein synthesis. Vacuoles are present in both animal cells and plant cells, but vacuoles are bigger in plant cells. Vacuoles store extra food and water for the cell for harsh conditions. They also store wastes which are eventually sent out of the cell. Mitochondria are small rod-like structures. They are called powerhouse of a cell because cellular respiration happens here. In cellular respiration, sugar molecules break down to give energy-rich molecules. Lysosomes are known as suicide bags of a cell. Why so? This is because lysosomes contain chemical substances called enzymes. These enzymes can digest materials both inside and outside the cell. These enzymes can also blast in emergency conditions, which kills the cell. Centrosomes are only present in animal cells. These help in cell division. Now, let's talk about cell division. As we talked in previous videos, cells derive from pre-existing cells. When these cells divide into two and grow at a certain size, these divide more. Prokaryotic cells have an easy cell division, but eukaryotics have a very difficult cell division. These cells divide into two daughter cells, and when these two daughter cells gain a certain size, these divide again. Today, we learned about basic parts of a cell, cell organelles, and cell division. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.